Okay, so I think the easiest product line to move initially for most people is USANA's healthy food line. So for my team, my first goal for you is to help you move enough product that you can have your auto ship paid for. Okay, so let's shoot for 40 bucks a week, or then maybe $100 a couple times a week. So that's my goal. So here's how I explain the healthy food line. And I think it's really important because you need to learn the language, which a lot of us just don't have at first. So it's just kind of the jargon, just the words you need to use to make this work for you. So after hearing someone say, gosh, I wish I could lose weight, or they might say, what are you doing that's new? And I'm like, well, I'm marketing weight loss products. I'm really excited about it. And the person you're talking to wants to lose some weight. They may say, well, how does it work? Or what is it? Or, they kind of give you that look like, go on. And I'll say, well, here's what I've realized is most people don't know this, but they're eating bad carbs. And so most of the carbs they eat are bad carbs. And what that does to your blood sugar is it makes it go up higher than it's supposed to. And this blue zone here is the zone where your blood sugar is ideal. It's where your brain works its best. It's where your energy level is good. And it's where your weight is good. But what happens is most of us, because we're eating bad carbs all day long, our blood sugar goes way too high, way higher than it's supposed to, and then it goes way lower than it's supposed to. When your blood sugar is up here, this is what makes you gain weight. It causes inflammation, which leads to health problems and even pain. And when your blood sugar goes too low, if you ever felt like you're tired, mentally foggy, you just can't remember, can't think well, there's a good chance your blood sugar could be in this really low zone here. And so all day long, our blood sugar is going too high and too low, and the end result is we gain weight. And so what you have to do is identify what are the good carbs and what are bad carbs, and eliminate the bad carbs from your diet. And so what I'm excited about with the USANA product line is our healthy food line is all good carbs. And so it keeps your blood sugar in this normal blue zone here, where your brain works good, your body weight's good, your energy is good. And then people are wondering, well, what are these bad carbs? And then I'll often pull out this little glycemic index. It's one page. It's not exhaustive by any means, but it just gives people an idea. These are bad carbs, high glycemic index carbs. These are good carbs, low glycemic. And I'll always point out, things that people aren't aware of. Pretzels, crackers, Rice Krispies, corn flakes, very high glycemic. These are the kind of foods that will make your blood sugar go way too high. And people will usually think about this for a little bit and look and kind of make their own observations. But I want to help them draw the connection between eating things made with flour or sugar is going to have this effect in my blood sugar. And it's going to make me have health effects that I don't want. Being tired, gaining weight, not having energy, not thinking clearly. And so here's what most people do. And I always say, here's what works for most people, to make it sound like, we do this all the time, because you will be doing this all the time. But this is a catalog, USANA catalog. Here's what I start most people on that want to hit it hard. They start on this 5-day reset kit, which is a detox cleanse. Now I use those words, detox cleanse, because they're kind of buzz marketing words, but they're effective words. And it does do that. It'll detox you, it'll cleanse you out. But this is 5 days of all the meals you need. 3 shakes a day, 2 bars a day, and 5 days of vitamins. Drink a lot of water, and you can also have a fruit and a vegetable each day as well. It's $100. Okay, I just kind of put that out there. That way they're knowing the numbers. But what it's going to do in those 5 days, it's going to break this carbohydrate addiction. It's going to get you off this carbohydrate roller coaster, this very unhealthy roller coaster. And it's going to move your blood sugar into this normal healthy zone in 5 days. You're going to notice a lot of improvement. Okay, day 2 or 3 might be difficult. I tell people you're going to be breaking a carbohydrate addiction. That's not always easy. Some people sail through 5 days. Some people got to work at it. So you may have to work at it. But after 5 days, most people will be down about 5 to 10 pounds. Okay, in 5 days. Women closer to 5, men closer to 10. I know it's not fair, but that's just what I see. And I'll tell you what, when people lose that kind of weight, they're going to be excited, because some people haven't lost 5 pounds and they don't remember when. So after the 5 days, then what do? Well, then you buy these individual packages of shake mix. Okay, again, these are low glycemic, healthy meal replacements. All right, stress meal replacements. They replace meals. So for less than $3 a meal, okay, can you eat a healthy meal for $3? When you're on the go, most of us can't. So you get 6 bags of Nutrimeal. That will give you 6 times 9, 54 meals. Okay, there's 9 meals in a package of this. And that'll get you through day 6 to the end of the month. and you'll consistently drop about 1 to 2 pounds of fat per week that you're on these, okay? And then I also suggest getting 2 boxes of bars. Then you'll have a bar per day. So what you're doing is you're planning ahead. You're buying all your meals ahead of time because you know you're going to get hungry. You're probably going to be stuck in some places where you can't eat something healthy, so have this ready to go. We also get a shaker bottle. It's a plastic shaker bottle with a little wicker ball in it. You just mix ice cold water, 3 scoops of this powder mix, and it's a great tasty meal replacement for under $3. 2 boxes of bars. Your first month may cost you around $300 to $350 range in that area. Second month, like $250. Okay, just so they can plan. And I do answer the redirectional spending comment or objection right away. Let them know, look, you're just buying all your meals ahead of time. Okay, 6 times you're going to get 50, 60 meals you're going to get out of this in a month. Okay, for under $3 a meal. That's very cost effective when you're on the go. I mean, think how many times through your month you're driving through the occasional drive-through, you're buying the occasional, whatever junk. So I hope that helps you. Oftentimes I'll let someone think, kind of process a little bit, and then I might say, so do you want to give this a try? Or if I know that someone finances is not a problem with them, I'll also move to the beginning of the catalog and I'll say, and if you want even a better effect, I would suggest using either one of our multivitamins, our essentials, which are an extra $42 a month, or the health pack. It's $110 a month. And if someone doesn't have financial constraints and they're really looking to make a difference in life, oftentimes they'll purchase that as well. But if someone's if someone's on a pretty tight budget, then I won't go and recommend the vitamins right off the bat because I don't want to stress their budget out and make it seem like they can't do this. Exercise is going to be effective as well. Even walking 3 times a week will sensitize your muscles to that insulin and make you burn more calories instead of storing them as fat. So give someone time to think if they want it. Oftentimes they'll say, does this look like something you want to try? And if they say yeah, then right away I'll pull out a notebook or a legal pad and I'll take down their information. I'll say, okay, where do you want it sent to? Okay, their name, their address, what's your email, what's your phone number, what credit card do you want to use, and I might, write something down and say, okay, here's what you're talking for cost. Reset, about $100, 6 bags of Nutrimeal, $150, and then 2 boxes of bars, about $60. So just add it up for them, okay? $100 for the reset kit, plus $150 for your Nutrimeal, plus $60 for your bars. You're at $310. $310. Add shipping and handling, okay, taxes. Does that sound okay? Just kind of get a verbal from them that sounds like something. Remember, you're going to get a month full of meals, and you're going to be down, by the end of the month, 10 to 12 pounds, okay? And then the next month it's going to be closer to 250 range, 2 to 250. And you're going to lose another, 6 to 8 pounds your second month. So you could be down theoretically 15 or 20 pounds at the end of 2 months. Does that sound like something that's of interest to you? And I'll make people a preferred customer, or if they don't want to be a preferred customer, I'll just place a one-time monthly order for them. Whatever people want. So I hope that's helpful. I just want to give you the language and kind of show you how I move our healthy food line, because I think it's the most effective line to move, easiest line to move, because so many people are looking for solutions for weight loss.